What's up, everybody? We're going to do a quick garage update here. This is a new project we just got in, customer's car. It's a 1969 Camaro. Very decent car, but it's getting ready to become an awesome car. In the trunk here, we have some Detroit Speed mini tubs. We're getting ready to install these, and the guy actually came and checked this car out after seeing it and loved the way it sit, loved the wheel tire package, so he decided to get the exact same SpeedTech rear suspension kit for it. So this car is getting ready to get the SpeedTech suspension kit with the torque arm. Just kind of old school, got a small block and a 4-speed in it. He's going to be running a 335 tire with the SpeedTech suspension kit and the Detroit Speed mini tubs, and it's also getting a 9-inch. So it's going to be a really different car when he gets this back. So we still have this car here. Not a whole lot has gotten done to it, but well, physical work getting done to it, but we are in discussion of exactly what direction we want to take this car. And really that's the most important part when you're building a car, especially like this, is picking a direction, picking a path to take, and sticking with that and making sure it follows through. Nothing worse than a car is just mix matched, and you can tell the people just had no direction when they built it. But that car is on its way, even though not a lot of work has gotten done. It's definitely on its way. Here's a C6Z06. It's in for head repair, and I think we're going to go ahead and swap the cam outlets in here. It does have a Pro Charger already. It's a P1SC Pro Charger. Probably going to change the pulley on it too, but it's getting a cam, head repair, ported heads while we're at it, and just kind of a freshen up, do a couple things to it. My car already runs extremely well, but it can always run better. The tune needs addressing a little bit. So this car was built, it's an 06 and it was built in 07. So definitely technology has come a long ways. So we're going to take advantage of that and make this a better driving car. And the S10 is still here. Just need to put it back together and get this thing sold. It's a nice little truck, so if you're looking for an S10, this is definitely a nice little clean truck to have. And of course we have my GMC over here just kind of hanging out in the corner. We're getting ready to do some upgrades to that too. I think we're going to swap the turbo out and try and get this truck into 11s, which would be just awesome, because I use this truck for hauling and towing and truck purposes, but to have it still be able to take care of all that, haul the trailer and car around, but run 11s would be incredible. So just a quick update there on the garage situation, and we got a lot of work to get done, so we're gonna get back at it.